Hi, my name is Dwayne Crawford, and I'm the Fiber Product Line Manager at Belden. In this video, we're going to cover installing 250 micron fiber into the Brilliance Universal connector. Now that we've cleaved our fiber, we're ready to install it. I'm going to take my install handle in one hand. If we look at the top of the installation handle, what you're going to notice is a groove to lay the fiber into. So I'm now going to lay the fiber into that groove and hold it with my thumb. With my thumb, I can actually move the fiber forward and backwards to advance it into the connector. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to just use my fingers to guide the fiber into the back of the connector. Now, that end face is clean. If I bump it up against anything, I will have contaminated it, and I'll have to go back and re-cleave it. So I want to be very careful during this part. Now I can slide the fiber into the connector using my thumb up to the pen mark. The pen mark should align with the back of the connector. It shouldn't go too deep, and it shouldn't stop short. A tip here is if you get stuck before the pen mark goes in all the way, just pull the fiber back a couple of millimeters, give it a little bit of a twist, maybe a 10-15 degree rotation, and go back in again. You'll probably clear any obstacle you may have hit. Once the fiber is now aligned at the back, I can apply a little bit of pressure by sliding my thumb forward on the handle. This will create a little bow in the fiber. That'll maintain pressure inside the connector. Then, using the stylus that's included with the install handle, I can now close the activator switch. I'm going to pull it towards the back of the connector until it clicks into place. Once I have that done, I can now slide my boot on up into the back and onto my connector. Once we have that complete, we're going to turn on the VFL, make sure that the green light comes on, and we're going to check the window in the activator tab to make sure no light is coming out. If this is a multi-mode connector, there should be no light in that window. If it's a single mode, it's okay if a little bit of light is visible inside the connector, and it'll be a pretty small amount. Once we're complete, I can then remove the connector from the handle and either place my protective cap back on the ferrule or connect it into my patch panel. And that's how we install 250 micron fiber into the Brilliance Universal connector. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information on installing fiber products.